Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting diary. If this is your first time to the channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get more videos just like this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining our crafting community. Alright, so in this video, you're just pretty much going to be watching me make some Cocomelon personalized stickers to place on some plastic cups for an event that I have on the 16th. My channel is pretty much about me showing you how you can create your own personalized party favors and supplies for any theme event.